In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Sheets for creating, editing, and also analyzing data. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, whether you're a student, a business owner, or just want to stay organized, Google Sheets is powerful and also easy to learn. But for you to get started, you have to come to sheets.google.com and then sign in with your Google account if you're not yet signed in. Otherwise, you will be taken to this page, and this is the home page. You can choose a blank spreadsheet, or you can use one of the templates that are here, like the to-do list or the budgets. And you have even more templates. When you click on here, you have all these different templates that are here. You can just scroll down and choose any of these templates that are here to work with. But most of the times, you're going to be customizing or creating custom spreadsheets. So you can just click on this blank spreadsheet. When you're opening it for the first time, this is what you're going to see. You'll see some of these features that are here. These here are just like the templates also, which are coming here that you can insert without you doing anything. But what we want here is to customize everything. So just close this. The interface looks like a grid. Each box is called a cell, and you can type text, numbers, or formulas inside. And on top here, we have the top toolbar. It lets you format cells and insert charts and apply functions just like in Excel. You can type in data, you can click on cells to highlight them, and you can even drag to select multiple. For instance, if you want to do quick calculations, you can type in a formula like equal sign, sum, A1 through A5. Or you can use the function button for things like average, count, and even more. If you want to get even deeper, you can also insert charts. You can insert charts, filler data, and even collaborate with others by clicking on the share button. And once you are done, Google Sheets saves automatically. You can access your file anytime from Google Drive. And these are the basics of using Google Sheets. If this helped you, please subscribe for more videos like this, like it, and share it with people who it might help. If you have any questions concerning Google Sheets, please drop them in the comments. I'll respond to you. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.